Welcome back to our channel How to Guide Everybody, where we post guide videos. And in today's video I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can unprivate your TikTok account, and it's pretty simple, so follow the step which I'm going to be showing you guys. But before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel How to Guide, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video. Now let's move on. Now, if you want to unprivate your TikTok account, that means your TikTok account is currently private, and if you unprivate it, then that means your account is going to be public. And what happens to a public account? Well, if your account is public, then anybody can view your TikTok account and they can check your videos, they can comment on them, and they can do like much more other stuff as well. All right, like share them, or like add it to their favorites, choose which song you're using on the TikTok videos, like that. But if you're okay with that, then just follow the step which I'm going to be showing you guys. So first step, you want to click on profile at the bottom right corner of your screen on TikTok. Once you do that, you want to click on the three line at the top right corner. Once you do that, you want to click on versus settings and privacy. Once you do that, you can see the second option called privacy. Click on it. Once you do that, your private account is going to be turned on, so make sure to click on it and click on switch at the bottom, and your account is no longer going to be private, it's going to be public, just like that. So yeah, that's how you guys can unprivate your TikTok account. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.